I'm basically seeing what the water's like is what looks like a lot of fallen down things. I've got a bit of view over here. But it definitely must have flooded right over to this embankment because that's what it looks like. A little water has, gone over the top of all the plants, damaged them, left debris, and whatnot. So has all signs of it probably flooded quite severely. I mean, that's all flood debris. This has perhaps fallen down or moved. No, there's usually a log there, but the bridge is all wet, covered with other debris. Yeah.